Gabi sa inyong lahat, lalong-lalo na po ang aming buti na officer in charge dito sa PS9 na si Police Major Neil M. Vistar. Magandang gabi po. At sa pagpapatuloy ng RA 11313 o tinatawag na Safe Spaces Act o Bawal Bastos Law, pumunta naman tayo sa mga penalty for gender-based sexual harassment in public places. Verbal. First offense. Ano po to? 12 hours community service exclusive for GST and 1,000 fine. First offense ng demonstrated. 12 hours community service exclusive pa rin of GST and 10,000 na babayarin. Gender-based sexual through stalking and physical advances. First offense pa tayo. Imprisonment up to 11 to 30 days or magbayad ng 30,000. Provided that it includes complete attendance in a community service. So, hahanapan talaga ng attendance. Second offense. Mag-ingat po tayo ha. Tandaan po natin kung ano-ano yung mga bawal sa RA 11313 o Safe Spaces Act o tinatawag na Bawal Bastos Law. Second offense, imprisonment up to 6 to 10 days or magbayad ng 3,000 fine. At kung i-demonstrate na talaga, imprisonment pa rin up to 11 to 30 days or 15,000. Lumalaki na yung babayarin. Second offense, yung physical advances or yung mag-stalking. Imprisonment up to 11 months and 1 day to 6 months or 50,000 fine. Third offense na tayo, imprisonment pa rin up to 11 to 30 days and 10,000 fine. Demonstrated, yung ginagawa na talaga. Verbal pa kasi yon kanina. Third offense, imprisonment up to 1 month and 1 day to 9 months. Magbabayad ng 20,000 fine. At kung meron ng involvement na physical advances, imprisonment pa rin. Aabot ng 4 months and 1 day up to 6 months. Or, malaki ang babayarin. 100,000 fine. Kaya, pakishare po nito. Lalong-lalo na sa may mga anak na teenager o sa mga asawa. I-share po sa kanila ano-ano yung mga penalty for gender-based sexual harassment in public places. Na-discuss na natin kung ano-ano yung mga public places, diba? Nung nakaraan pa talagang linggo. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig. At ito si Aling Pulis, Ate Bing. Maraming salamat!